Oh, I didn't see you there. I was too busy drinking my Rainbow Unicorn Bang. See, the thing about these Bang drinks is they are phenomenal. They are supreme. They give you all the nutrients that your body needs to live freely. What does Bang do for me? Makes me have a good time with my brother. I'll show you. I love Bang! Bang! LB on the drums this fine Saturday morning. Give me a beat, bro.
This beat, oh!
So, Kenzie, what do you want to do today?
Get me a beer.
Wow. Hey!
Ah!
What are you doing?
Come up here and see if the beer was up there.
Okay, come on. What'd you say? Because it's another day in the vlog, Kenzie. That's why I'm up here. And I want to wish you a very, very good morning to that beautiful ginger face. She's my sister. This is Kenzie's room, and she's got all these sweet pictures of all the people she deeply cares and loves about. Kenzie, where's mine? Exactly. You don't have me up there, and I'm your brother. I hate you! Kenzie, look out! Why are you so scared, Kenzie? Are you afraid I'm going to put an egg on your face?
I have to eat.
You just watch your back, bro.
Stop.
So if you put an egg in the microwave for like 5 minutes, I think, I heard that it explodes. So let's try it. Soldier's going into action. Bye, buddy. Look at him just... Oh, I thought that was the egg. I don't think he's ever gonna bust. Oh my gosh, Kenzie, Rita's gonna kill me. It smells terrible in here. If she asks, we'll just tell her I cooked an egg and burn it until she sees the vlog. Oh. See, this is why I shouldn't be allowed to spend my paychecks. I just paid $8 for an air horn and then $2 for a window marker. So $10 on wasted, just wasted. Unless I come up with some ideas, maybe like scare some people or ride on cars or something. Loaded for Isaiah's Nerf party. Isaiah is my famous cousin that was on the radio, but I'm gonna take this sniper in and have a little fun first. Rita.
Oh my God, Sid.
Uncle, don't shoot him in the face though, okay? Here with Zachy Will over here. Nate parked his truck in the parking lot, but we're gonna move it all the way over here at the park, so he has to walk a long way. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Let me turn around here. Yeah, Nate's got a bit of a walk. Better start going. There's Nate. Look, he's looking for his truck. He's looking all the way over here. Look. Hey, Nate!
Wait, I gotta go, seriously.
You gotta go, serious.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get.
Happy birthday, dear Isaiah. Look how cute. Look how cute. So, Uncle's over here sitting on the crate, and I'm gonna lick his head.
It's that where they
Like it was normal.
they spent $95 million in 1 month.
Yeah, it's all salty.
Ridiculous stuff.
3, 2, 1.
Big parties for this one. Get the kid his gun back, Gramps.
Ready! Hey!